What if you totally stop eating sugar for 30 days? Eliminating added sugars from your diet for 30 days can have various effects on your body and overall health. Here are some potential outcomes. In the short term, if you were to stop eating sugar for 30 days, you might experience the following effects. Weight loss. Eliminating added sugars often leads to a reduction in overall calorie intake, contributing to initial weight loss. Stable energy levels. Without the spikes and crashes in blood sugar associated with sugary foods, you may experience more consistent energy levels throughout the day. Improved hydration. Cutting out sugary beverages can lead to increased water consumption, promoting better hydration. Reduced cravings. Initially, you may experience cravings for sugary foods, but over time, these cravings tend to diminish as your taste preferences adjust. Improved digestion. A diet lower in added sugars may lead to improved digestion and reduced bloating for some individuals. Better sleep. Some people report improved sleep quality when they reduce their sugar intake. Clearer skin. Reduction in sugar intake has been associated with improvements in skin health, such as reduced acne. Mood stabilization. Balancing blood sugar levels may contribute to more stable moods and reduced irritability. It's important to note that individual responses can vary, and these effects may depend on factors such as baseline health, overall diet, and lifestyle. Additionally, the first few days of sugar withdrawal might bring about temporary symptoms like irritability and cravings, but these tend to subside as the body adjusts to the new eating pattern. Over the long term, if you were to stop eating sugar for an extended period, e.g., 30 days or more, you might experience various health benefits. Keep in mind that individual responses can vary, and these effects may depend on factors such as overall diet, lifestyle, and baseline health. Here are some potential long-term effects. Weight management. Continued avoidance of added sugars can contribute to sustained weight management, especially if you maintain a balanced and nutritious diet. Improved metabolic health. Lowering sugar intake over the long term is associated with improved insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Heart health. A reduced intake of added sugars is linked to a decreased risk of cardiovascular diseases, including heart disease. Dental health. Long-term avoidance of sugary foods and drinks can contribute to better oral health, reducing the risk of cavities and gum disease. Enhanced mental clarity. Some individuals report sustained improvements in mental focus and reduced brain fog when they maintain a lower sugar intake. Stable mood. Over time, balanced blood sugar levels may contribute to more stable moods and a reduced risk of mood swings. Better skin health. Clearer skin may be sustained over the long term with continued avoidance of added sugars. Reduced inflammation. Lowering sugar intake is associated with a reduction in inflammatory markers in the body, contributing to overall health. Decreased risk of chronic diseases. Long-term reduction in added sugar consumption is linked to a lower risk of chronic diseases such as obesity, metabolic syndrome, and certain cancers. Improved energy and endurance. With a stable and balanced diet, you may experience sustained energy levels and improved physical endurance. It's important to note that while reducing added sugars can bring about these potential benefits, overall dietary patterns and lifestyle choices play a crucial role in achieving and maintaining optimal health. A well-rounded diet that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods is essential for long-term health. If you have specific health concerns or conditions, consulting with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian is advisable for personalized guidance. While stopping sugar intake can have numerous health benefits, it also presents some challenges, especially in the short term. Here are common challenges you might face. Withdrawal symptoms. Abruptly stopping sugar intake can lead to withdrawal symptoms such as headaches, irritability, fatigue, and cravings. These symptoms typically subside after a few days to a week as your body adjusts to the new eating pattern. Social and cultural challenges. Many social gatherings and cultural practices involve sugary foods and drinks. Avoiding these in social situations can be challenging and may require planning and communication with others. Meal planning. Creating balanced meals without relying on sugary ingredients may require more effort and creativity in meal planning and preparation. Taste adjustments. Your taste buds might take some time to adjust to foods that are less sweet. Initially, natural flavors in foods may seem less intense. Limited food choices, some processed foods, even those that may seem healthy, can contain hidden sugars. Reading food labels and making informed choices may limit your food options initially. Emotional challenges. For some individuals, sugar is associated with emotional comfort. Giving up this source of comfort can lead to emotional challenges, and finding alternative coping mechanisms may be necessary. Initial fatigue. Some people experience a temporary decrease in energy levels during the initial days of reducing sugar intake. This is often part of the adjustment process as the body transitions to using alternative sources of energy. Cravings. Even after the initial withdrawal period, occasional cravings for sugary foods may persist. Developing strategies to manage and overcome these cravings is important for long-term success. Educational hurdles. Understanding food labels and identifying hidden sugars in various products can be a learning curve. This requires time and effort to become more informed about the contents of packaged foods. Perceived lack of enjoyment. Some people may initially perceive a lack of enjoyment in their meals, especially if they were accustomed to the pleasurable taste of sugary foods. Experimenting with herbs, spices, and other flavor-enhancing techniques can help address this challenge. Despite these challenges, many individuals find that the benefits of reducing sugar intake far outweigh the difficulties. Gradual changes, education, and finding healthier alternatives can help overcome these challenges and make the transition to a lower sugar lifestyle more sustainable. If needed, seeking support from a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian can provide guidance tailored to your specific needs and circumstances. When considering stopping sugar intake for an extended period, there are several important factors and considerations to keep in mind. Natural sugars. While reducing added sugars is generally beneficial, it's important to distinguish between added sugars and natural sugars found in whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and dairy. Natural sugars come with essential nutrients and fiber, which contribute to overall health. Balanced diet. Eliminating sugar should not result in an imbalanced diet. Ensure that you are still consuming a variety of nutrient-dense foods, including fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Nutrient intake. Pay attention to the intake of essential nutrients, such as vitamins and minerals. If certain food groups are restricted, consider alternative sources for obtaining these nutrients. Individual variability. The effects of eliminating sugar can vary from person to person. Factors such as genetics, baseline health, and lifestyle play a significant role in how the body responds to dietary changes. Gradual changes. Consider making gradual changes to allow your body to adjust. Sudden and extreme dietary changes can lead to discomfort and may be challenging to sustain. Social and cultural factors. Be aware of the social and cultural aspects of food. Eating habits are often deeply ingrained in social activities and cultural practices. Finding a balance between your health goals and social interactions is important. Health conditions. If you have existing health conditions, such as diabetes, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. They can provide guidance tailored to your specific health needs. Hydration. Ensure that you stay adequately hydrated, especially if you're replacing sugary beverages with water. Hydration is essential for overall health. Physical activity. Consider incorporating regular physical activity into your routine. Exercise plays a crucial role in overall health and can complement dietary changes. Mindful eating. Pay attention to hunger and fullness cues. Mindful eating involves being present and aware of your eating habits, making it easier to make conscious and healthful choices. Label reading. Develop the habit of reading food labels to identify hidden sugars in packaged foods. Ingredients like sucrose, high fructose corn syrup, and other sugar variants may be listed under different names. Long-term sustainability. Aim for dietary changes that are sustainable in the long term. Extreme and restrictive diets are often difficult to maintain and may not be conducive to overall well-being. Before embarking on significant dietary changes, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian. They can provide personalized advice based on your health status, dietary preferences, and goals. Additionally, they can help you create a balanced and sustainable eating plan that meets your nutritional needs. Before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have underlying health conditions, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific needs and health goals.